Good morning and welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today's actually a kind of a random video because I'm helping my friend Kevin put wheel caps on his new Tesla. But yeah, we'll see what we can get in today. This is my first time seeing this dude's Tesla in person. It's pretty clean. He got the all white. This thing's crazy. It's so high tech yet so simple. Let the viewers know how long you've had it.
So I just got my brand new Tesla Model 3. I got it probably like a week ago or so. I traded in my Mazda 3.
Okay,
so
yeah.
3 for 3.
So what are we doing today?
Today, right now, when I bought the car, we have these Aero stock wheels. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop that cap off and we're gonna put on a wheel cap over it so it doesn't show all the nuts and bolts and stuff like that. Check it out, you'll see that's what it looks like. Those are the center caps and then the lug nut covers and stuff like that.
All right,
and
we gotta get to work.
Yeah, so we're gonna go through this real quick. Just gotta pop these caps off. It shouldn't be that hard. We can just find where the center cap is. Or there you go.
Oh, there you go. It just pops off like a.
There you go.
Like a cap.
There you go. Okay. Boom. And that's what is revealed.
Wow. All right, so that's what we're gonna be covering with the wheel caps and the lug nut covers, but should be pretty simple.
Yeah, this is the thing by itself. Yeah, ugly thing.
Ugly, huh?
Ugly thing. All right.
Let's fix that today.
All right, so we got center cap right here. So I believe you just pop these on super easy. Let's make sure that's centered. And then we're just gonna boom.
It's a pretty simple process here.
Pretty simple process, and then we're gonna take these little bolts up in here, keep it nice and snug. Boom.
So when you have this on, you don't need that plastic cover anymore, huh? Or do you still?
No.
Okay.
No, I could just leave it like this.
All right, that's good. That's
Make
good.
it-
That'll be cleaner.
So this is a way to make your wheels look cooler, without spending a shitload of money. This wheel kit only cost me like $50.
Without spending a shitload of money.
A lot of people think that wheel cap, the Aero kit, is just the way it is, but they don't know that that's just for efficiency, and then this is what's actually the wheel under.
Yeah,
It's
I was
super
looking
sporty.
at it. I was looking at it. It looked kind of dusty.
Yeah, this looks.
This is much cleaner, much
Yeah.
cleaner. You see the Tesla brake caliper right there?
Yep.
That thing big, bro.
So we're gonna finish it up.
All right, so we're just gonna do that for the all four sides, but that's basically the install. So here I'm doing the back passenger side wheel. It's the same process as we were doing before. Shit, sorry to do this with one hand. I had to put the camera down for a second because it was really hard to do with one hand, but now we're getting the lug nut covers on. Much better without the plastic cover. Bye-bye to these dusty plastic wheel covers. It took like about 5 minutes basically. So if you guys have a Model 3, you definitely should consider doing this. This guy agrees.
I agree.
You can actually see the wheel now that the cover's not on, and I'm telling you, it looks 100% way better. I've seen so many Teslas running with that wheel cover on and it looks ugly. It was only about 5 minutes, the whole process, and it made the car look way better for 50 bucks, but I'm sure we'll have the car on the channel again.
Yep, that's right.
Can't wait for future collabs. Make sure to check out Kevin's channel. I have it in the link.
Yes,
in the description.
It's just Kevin Pack. That's it. You can search that on up and you're gonna find me up in there.
Exactly.
But
all right, see you
that's it.
guys.